Hi, Kava teachers. I'm Kelly Richard, Kava's ELD specialist, and I'm making this training for a middle of the year quick refresher for those teachers who may have come in the middle of the year and did not complete the CELT training during the launch pathways. So this is a quick refresher. I hope it's helpful. When you have a student who needs CELT testing on your list, you will be contacted by me immediately, and you will know who the student is, and then you will be receiving a packet from Mr. Jonathan Salamani. He is the Kava's English Language Development Clerk. He helps me to get all the CELT materials distributed to teachers. So this is a copy of the sheet that you will receive with your package along with your materials. And I just want to show it to you and point out a few things. There will be a table, and everything that you receive will be checked, kind of a little inventory checklist. And just make sure that you have everything that matches on the checklist. Also, very important, you'll receive a CELT affidavit, a hard copy of it. You will need to sign that, date it, and return it to Jonathan when you have your CELT test finished. Here is the address of the Simi Valley office. You'll be mailing your CELT tests there. Please put it attention Jonathan Salamani. And also it says a reminder, you cannot administer the CELT until you have completed the CELT pathway, which I'll show you in a moment, and the 4 training modules on the CELT Moodle site. And here's my contact info in case you need to contact me. Okay, now when you approach the CELT Moodle website, here is the address moodle.celt.org, and you are going to use the examiner's resource. Here is the password. Be careful, it's case sensitive. And then hopefully you can see this. There are 4 modules you need to complete: oral vocabulary name and tell, speech functions, choose and give reasons, and 4-picture narrative. So I want you to work on the training sets. Now, there may be a problem, and that is halfway through the year. I never know exactly when it's going to be. CELT takes the Moodle website down. So if you cannot get on the Moodle website and it's halfway through the year, you will know that the CELT Moodle website has been disabled. And in that case, that's okay. You will need to go and see the recordings that I made. So when you go to the JLog, there will be an overview of the CELT testing, and it's 15 minutes, and an overview of the Moodle training site, which is about 12 minutes. And that's all right. You can just do those 2 trainings. And on the CELT Moodle training site, it has 4 handouts that you will want to print out. And they are the 4 sections that I just gave you. All of them will have a rubric so that you can familiarize yourself with the criteria, because you'll be asked to grade the oral language sections on the spot while you're testing your student. So just please make sure that you have looked at the training manual, the examiner's manual, and made sure that you know how it interacts with the test so that you feel comfortable giving the test to your student and grading it on the spot. Another thing that you need to do, if you have an identified EL in your class, within 2 weeks you need to watch this recording right here that I have made that tells what we do in my program, how we use Rosetta Stone, and how my Class Connects work to help our English language learners within Kava. So you need to watch that within 2 weeks. So here is on the pathway are the things that you need to complete. You need to watch these 2 recordings. If the Moodle website is still active, you need to go to it, create an account, and work on those 4 modules. And then you need to, if you have an identified EL student, you need to go and watch this video right here. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'd be glad to help you with this process. Thank you for listening.